EURUSD this week has moved to the upside. What we can see on the chart, the price has started to move slightly down on a Monday compared to the previous week, Friday. Here it is. Now, when you look more detail, you can see that the previous analysis I have made just mentioned that the price could return back down around this area here, and there is a possibility that the price could return slightly here with the week, but the first scenario happened. The price returned slightly down on Monday, and on the Tuesday the price returned back up, continuing the previous 2 weeks scenario. So the price on the Tuesday has returned back up about 1.08846 and stopped here where this monthly trend line resistance is, and from there the price on Wednesday have found enough strength to go above and to make a breakout above the previous week high. We can see here where these two candles are, and also above their wicks. The price has reached this monthly resistance, which is 1.09854, and the price did not stop there. The price continued on a Thursday to move above and reach at 1.10755, which is a 1.1 price for the EURUSD symbol. From there the price has on a Friday returned back down, and it has reached 1.09860, which we can see here, and the price has formed a bearish engulfing bar. Let's put a label here so we have it. Engulfing. Okay, so we have a bearish engulfing bar on the Friday, which is also a day when the traders go out and log their profits, and also the buyers who have pushed the price from this area around this demand zone, they have pushed the price up and they have exited from their trades on a Friday. So this has triggered the sell-off, and also the sellers who are waiting here have pushed the price down. The price stayed above 1.09860 this monthly. Currently it is a support, but the monthly support on a daily time frame currently doesn't have so much impact as it has these small daily support and resistance levels. And that is because when you have a monthly support and resistance levels, the area around this horizontal line is much bigger. So we have to pay attention that this area around on a monthly time frame could stretch also to 1.10755, where is the daily currently resistance. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks on a weekly. In the previous analysis I have mentioned that it is good that the prices stay above, and it has closed above these candles, which is a great signal that the price could move further up, and this has happened also this week. The price returned slightly down where the first support and resistance is, currently the resistance, and from there the price has bounced and continued to move up to 1.09860, and the week has stretched up to 1.10755. We can see that the weekly time frame could not close above this monthly price level, and also where the next level is for the weekly time frame is this one I have mentioned in the previous analysis. So this area that has happened, it is a good signal that the price will continue to move up, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis. So we have several weeks as a bullish, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is a great signal that the price has reversed from this area where the great support is with this monthly trend line. Now let's see how this looks on a monthly time frame. We can see that this also looks good, and it has been a bullish since this area here. The price has continued to move up, and the price has tried to go above, and currently on a monthly time frame the price is still below 1.09860, which is also a very critical level for the monthly time frame. We are at the half of April, so there is 2 weeks more until the price makes its move, and if it is possible to move up to the upside and close the month above, which will be another great signal that the price will find support around this area where the currently confluence of resistance is, and then continue to up 1.11871. So let's see what can happen the next week. what is the analysis tells us and what we can read from the charts. Currently on the monthly time frame, I have said that this area, it looks promising, and also the next level for the price on the monthly time frame is 1.09860 to be broken and also to be confirmed. And that means the price needs to go above this area, above this confluence of resistances, and there is high chance, which you can see, that the price has reached this level and also this level. If the price goes above that, this will be a great signal for the price and also for the bulls. Until that, we could expect that the price could have a problem around this area because it is a monthly resistance and it is a confluence of resistance, so there is a possibility that the price could reverse back down slightly to this area 1.094 and 1.089 and also this one 1.086. But this everything depends on a weekly and a daily time frame what will happen, but these are the critical areas on the monthly time frame. Let's go to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, this is a critical level, but for the next week, if we want to see the price to move to the upside and make a breakout and confirm it, it should be closed above this 1.104, 105. So this is the critical level for the next week, and what I can see, this is the area where the price has broken and found a great support here. So I'm expecting that the price could reverse them back down slightly, because this is the area currently which will act as a support. We can see that if the price goes down, and that is our area here, 1.0924 is the next one support that could hold the price and try to push the price to the higher levels above 1.09860. On a weekly time frame, this is very critical level, and if the price stays above this area, even though the price returns back down, it will still in the bullish mode and bullish trend. So if the price goes below that level, the next level where we need to wait is this one, 1.00, just a minute, 1.087 and also 1.084. This is the area that is the next support for the bulls and where the price could stop. So we need to wait what will happen on a daily time frame, but as it looks right now, there is possibility that the price will return back down up to 1.09093 and 0.92, and from there continue to move up. If the price goes above that, we could see that the price could go again to 1.104 and also 1.107 and then bounce again back down to retest this previous resistance, now then acting as a support at 1.09860. From there, if the price goes up and stays above, this will be a great signal that the price could probably move to the higher levels in the following weeks in April until the end of the month, which will be also great for the monthly time frame. On a daily time frame, we can see that currently the price has formed a bearish engulfing bar. It is also on the great position for the bears, because it is only on daily resistance, and also it is on the monthly resistance level. So this could be also a trigger that the price could return back down. I have mentioned that the price could return around 1.09293. This is here, the area, but there is also a possibility that the price could return back down around this area where the currently a great support is, which we can see here. Lots of lines are crossing, making a confluence of support, and also where the price could find another push to push the price on higher levels and confirm this breakout 1.09860. Currently this breakout to the upside is not confirmed because we have currently here a bearish engulfing bar, which is a bearish signal that the price could return back down. So for the next week, I'm expecting that the price will return back down at least 1.09394, and then we will see on a 4-hour time frame it can be visible a bullish price action signal that will point that the price will continue to move up. If that doesn't happen and the price returns back down, the next support is around this area here, 1.085 and also 1.091. So this is a demand zone currently, and if the price stays above, this will be a great signal for the next week that the price has found a support on a daily time frame and also weekly time frame, which will be great move for the next step to move to higher time frames. But if the price goes below that, then we have here 1.07825, an area where the price will stop and find even greater, because this is a monthly support, which is a great signal for the price, where on a monthly time frame where the price could stop and found a great support for the next move to the upside. But everything depends on the Monday and the Tuesday if the price stays above this area here and also around this here. If you are trading this one, I would expect that the price could return back down and possibly put here as a buy order if the price makes some kind of a bullish price action signal, which will be a great entry, because stop loss could be narrow and the profit could be very high, up to 1.1117. So just a minute, let's stretch this one a little bit more up so we know where are the next levels. We can see that this area here is pointing the next confluence of resistance for the price, and it is the next area where the price will stop on move to the upside. This is a weekly resistance, and also this one is a daily. So the daily needs to be broken, and for the weekly it should stay above this one. So these are the targets for the next week. So let's see what happens on a Monday, which is always the critical day for the price, when the traders make their setups for the rest of the week. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.